Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and we had some government data coming out today. We had a CPI report, and the whisper number was 7% inflation, and it came in just a tad underneath, and the market, rocketed. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Friday, December 10th at 9 a.m. So let's take a look. This is intra morning, and what do we see? The 5-minute VIX goes short on Swing Machine at 2:55 a.m. That would have been an indication at that time that the markets might bounce this morning. The ES contract, the S&P futures contract, 41 minutes ago at 8:18. Think somebody had the number? Went long. You'd be up 862. And notice this one here, the 5-minute also went long at 225. I'd say somebody probably had that number. The NQ, the NASDAQ, 819. If you went with that, right? 1600. And then at 835, it's still trying to go long. And we're suspect whether or not this little bounce here this morning is going to last or peter out. We expect the March contract, this is the December contract, by the way, we expect the March contract to be trading more volume than the December contract by the end of the day, which will be the unofficial rollover of the December to March contract. The Dow, the 1 minute at 8:19, up 465. When did the 5-minute go? How about 2:25 a.m.? Santa's elves were working last night. And then the Russell, 1 minute, 8:17. And the 5-minute at actually 8:15. So nice little pop. Gold did not care for, well, actually, and this is kind of interesting. You know what? We're going to double check that contract. I got the feeling this contract, it looks rather stayed. The gold contract may have rolled out, so I apologize for that. And then oil's getting a little bit of a pop. So we won't comment on the gold contract. That looks a little, that may have already rolled. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. We wish everyone the best. Understand where you are on the field, always. Contracts rolling unofficially will roll here. Fed Day here, and then we get underway, and then of course Santa. But we're closing out the month, closing out the year. We don't think, even with this little pop this morning, that we're going to go back up to the old highs. We think we'll shave just underneath them. I think there's a really good chance that we get a little bit of a turnaround and maybe a peak at the lows established earlier, just a couple of weeks ago. I'm talking the most recent lows. We don't think that those lows will necessarily get taken out. If they do, it would be, next week. But we think they will, and we think they will in short order, somewhere between now and that first week of January. We think those lows will get taken out, but we'll see. That's what we're looking at. What we want to keep our eyes on is the VIX structure, and in trading our algos and trading, the market at hand is, of course, what we're always attempting to do each and every day. I'm Bagadon. Feel free to give us a shout, 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody. Have a great day. Call anytime.